type po ng closure of business but magre-reopen same business industry? Mag-change din ba ng owner? The answer is hindi. Okay lang na pag nag-close ka ng business, magre-reopen ka ulit na sa'yo pa rin nakapangalan. Actually, kahit hindi mo pa nga nasara yung business mo pwede ka ulit mag-register ng same industry. Pero maganda rin yung option na yan kung yung business na gusto mo nang isara, maganda ma-properly close mo muna tapos fresh start pa rin kahit same industry, ikaw pa rin ang owner, walang problema yon. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.